the number one thing I did on all of my videos in order to start receiving DMs constantly for folks inquiring on how they could work with me. Now, I started with telling people what I was doing, but I also showed them what I was doing. So on my feed, I made sure that all my videos, especially my video editing services, I started to edit my videos in a way that would be completely different than anyone else out there. And at the time where these captions would pop up on the bottom of people's videos onto the apps icon on my phone. What's the name? The App Store. That's the name of that thing. The App Store. And I looked for ways that I can add captions to my videos. I then went in and I started to edit the videos in my own little Joss Speaks Digital way. Usually that includes music. So if you look at a lot of the videos, especially the videos that I have on Instagram, you'll see that I put certain types of music on there. I use certain types of sounds. I try not to use curse words in my content because it doesn't vibe very well with me whenever I create content. So you want us to repurpose your content. Okay, cool. Let me see what you got.
Drop down and get your eagle on, girl. Drop down and get your eagle on.
Yep, we can totally use this. I would say we need to monetize this and put it on Facebook. I only curse when I get super duper mad. You can ask my family about that one. But in my content, I just didn't feel like that was a vibe I wanted to put off. So the number one thing you need to be looking at is how you can actually show what you do, as well as tell, but show folks. And folks will start to DM you.